Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to work on decimals, and we are going to do adding decimals with one decimal place. The addition of decimals is normal, like adding the whole number, but here we are going to be much careful on arranging the number vertically with corresponding place value. Now, before we go to this question, let us touch on place values. Consider a number 137.12. We are going to see the place value of each digit here. 2 is in hundredth. 1 is in tenth. After decimal, going to the left, 7 is in ones. 3 is in tens. And 1 is in hundredths. Knowing these place values, it is a basic on adding these decimal numbers. Let us do question number 1. We have 23.4 plus 5.2. So let us arrange it vertically with its corresponding place values. As you can see, tenth is arranged with tenth, and ones is arranged with ones vertically. Let's go and add them. 4 plus 2, we get 6. We align our decimal point vertically. 3 plus 5, we get 8, and here we are going to drop 2. Question number 2, 126.7 plus 2.1. Arrange it vertically. Tenth is arranged with tenth, and ones it's arranged with ones. Let's now add them. 7 plus 1, we get 8. We are going to align our decimal point. 6 plus 2, we get 8. We are going to drop 2, and then we are going to drop 1. Question number 3, we have 188.3 plus 15.9. Arrange it vertically. Tenth is arranged with tenth. Ones is arranged with ones, and tens is arranged with tens. 3 plus 9, we got 12. We are going to write 2. We carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5, we got 14. We write 4. We carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, we got 10. Whereas 0, we carry 1. 1 plus 1, we got 2. And then we are going to align our decimal point. We have 1 decimal point, so our decimal point is going to be here. Our answer is 204.2. Let us do the last question. 137.1 plus 28.7. Let us arrange it vertically. One plus 7, we get 8. We are going to drop our decimal point vertically. 7 plus 8, 15. We write 5. We carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, we got 6. And then we are going to drop 1. So the answer is 165.8. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.